Our story begins in the 17th century, when New York was a Dutch colony known as New Amsterdam. The Dutch influence is still visible today in the form of simple, pitched roof houses, reminiscent of the traditional architecture of the Netherlands. These structures, built with practicality and endurance in mind, set the tone for the city's architectural journey. As the 18th century rolled in, the Georgian style took center stage. Characterized by balance and symmetry, Georgian architecture was influenced by the classical forms of ancient Greece and Rome. This style dominated the cityscape with its red brick facades and white wooden trims, offering a striking contrast to the Dutch buildings. The 19th century saw a shift towards the Beaux-Arts style, inspired by the principles taught at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris. Grand public buildings like the New York Public Library and the Metropolitan Museum of Art showcased elaborate decorations, symmetrical shapes, and a heavy use of stone. These buildings were not just functional, they were also meant to inspire and impress. Then came the era of the skyscraper. The late 19th and early 20th centuries ushered in a vertical revolution, with buildings like the Flatiron and the Woolworth pushing the boundaries of height and design. The Art Deco movement, characterized by geometric shapes and lavish ornamentation, dominated this period. The Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, two of the most iconic structures in the city, stand as shining examples of this style. Post-World War II, New York embraced modernism, bringing in a wave of minimalist, functional structures. Glass and steel skyscrapers began to dominate the skyline. The Seagram Building and the United Nations headquarters are prime examples of this sleek, no-nonsense style, reflecting a shift towards efficiency and practicality. In the 21st century, New York's architectural landscape continues to evolve. Contemporary designs like those seen in the One World Trade Center and the Highline Park fuse functionality with aesthetics, sustainability with innovation. The city's skyline, a mix of old and new, tells a story of constant growth and reinvention. In conclusion, the architectural history of New York City is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. From Dutch colonial houses to modern glass towers, each era has left its mark on the cityscape, contributing to the vibrant architectural tapestry that is New York. This dynamic city, with its ever-evolving skyline, continues to inspire and captivate, standing as a living museum of architectural innovation. This is the story of New York City, a story written in brick, stone, glass, and steel, a story that continues to unfold with each passing day.